The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all guys are doing absolutely well. So today in this video we're gonna see an unique method and just a funny method what you can use to earn money from online, and it's very easy. Anyone can do this. So let's see the video, but before watch the full video, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can also join our Facebook group Premium Share to get daily updates. You can find here updates like digital marketing help from the members, and you can even ask here, and the methods what share here you can just get it by your own and ask here. So let's start the video. So here we are going to work on Fiverr. So okay, don't get nervous, as I am in the page where it's got a logo design, but we are not going to do any type of logo design or marketing or coding type of service what we can deliver to our client. We are not going to do any of this.
Are you comedy me?
But so what we are going to provide is that take your mouse cursor to the last in lifestyle, and here if you there is a part of this lifestyle section that creating cars and videos. So you just click on this and see here what it provides. So there are 2000 services are available. I mean like 2000 sellers are available who providing this kind of service. Let's see what it is. This guy is level 1, and what he's doing, I will record funny happy birthday video in less than 24 hours. So the video is going to be like this. This guy is just keeping a card, and it's saying happy birthday and the name of the owner, and he just making this type of videos and do some funny act. Same for this one. See, this guy reached level 2 with just delivering this. He will say any message, anything what you told him to do, and he will do it as the message with the buffaloes. So same for this guy. Okay, I will record a funny happy birthday video, and look, this guy is getting over 100 orders. And same for this guy, they will make funny star videos. And okay, so you can see I will wish us and sing happy birthday soon for the video. So if you just go over to this and see what is providing, it's a really easy service. Anyone can do this. So I will wish happy birthday song for my sweet cows. Okay, so the cows behind him, and he just going to sing happy birthday to you, and gonna record the video and send it to the client and charge them $5. So it's a really easy one. Anyone can do it. And the words they included only 10 words. Okay, so you can do this. It's a very easy one, and all you need to just create a Fiverr account and create a gig like this one. Just make a concept idea from this and make your own. And you can see that already 29 people get it in their wish list, so you will get more order. And look here, funny happy birthday video. Now if you don't want to act in front of camera, here you can do one more thing is if you come over to my this video here. In this video I have shown you a tool that what you can use to create social media videos, creative social media ad videos with that tool. So of fail, so you can try this tool to create this type of funny happy birthday videos okay, and charge the client. So this is a short video, but it's selling, it's getting so much sale. So I hope you will like this short video. And okay, now here is another thing. I have forgot to mention that if you are short of ideas of creating birthday type of videos, so just you have to go over YouTube, and here you need to search with that keyword, what is happy birthday video ideas, and here you will see bunch of interesting videos what you can deliver in Fiverr and able to earn a good amount of earning. So it's a very easy and the most coolest one, unique method for earning. So anyone can do this, and it's a joy for working. Happy birthday, or wishing someone happy anniversary, or for Easter celebration. So this is a good one. So have a great day.